Hello everyone, and thank you for coming to watch my video again. Thank you for joining me and allowing me to guide you on this 10-minute meditation. If you like the video, please hit the like button to get it out to other people. Share it if you want to share it with other people. That would be helpful. And subscribe to the channel because I have more stuff coming. And yes, this is a video for beginners. I will guide you through the process. So it's just 10 minutes to get you started so that you feel better through the rest of your day, the rest of your evening, whatever your situation is, whatever time you're in, so that you can feel better about yourself. So let's go find a comfortable seated position, a comfortable seat, a place that you feel that you can sit comfortably for 10 minutes without fidgeting, without becoming uncomfortable. Whether it's your bed, your chair, a cushion, a pillow, or the floor like me, wherever it is that you find comfortable, go to that place. Now I want you to close your eyes and start to feel your body. Start to notice how it feels, any sensations, any tightness, any tension, any stress, and just acknowledge it, but don't focus on it too much. Now I want you to start breathing through the nose and exhaling through the nose. So let's start by taking a deep breath in, filling up the lungs, filling up the belly, listening to the sound that your breath makes as it fills up, and exhale through the nose, letting the oxygen and breath out of the lungs, out of the belly, completely out. Inhale again, bringing in positive energy, filling up the lungs, filling up the belly. And exhale, letting go of negative energy, letting go of things you don't need, and letting the oxygen flow freely out of your body, from your chest, from your belly. Inhale, positive energy. Exhale, negative energy. Inhale, fill up the lungs, fill up the belly. Notice the sound that your breath makes as it enters through the nostril. Exhale, let the breath release. Empty the lungs, empty the belly. Notice the sound that the breath makes as it exits your nostril. Inhale, bringing in a positive light into the body, lighting up the inside of the body with the positive energy, with the fresh breath. And exhale, letting the light out, getting rid of negative energy, releasing the breath, feeling the calmness is starting to come over you. Inhale, positive energy, feel the light entering your body. Notice the coolness of the breath in the nostrils as it enters. Exhale, letting the energy out, noticing the warmth in the nostrils from the breath exiting the body. Noticing the calm, noticing the tranquility, noticing the peacefulness that's starting to occur. Inhale, breathe in deep, feel the breath in the lungs, feel the breath in the belly. Exhale, belly, letting go, relaxing. Inhale, taking in positive energy, feeling your breath filling your body up, feeling the light entering your body. Exhale, letting the breath release, feeling the body relaxing further. Inhale, fill up the lungs, fill up the belly, notice the breath. Exhale, release the breath, notice the calmness, notice the body relaxing a little further. Keeping your eyes closed through this process. Inhale, taking a deep breath, feeling the positive energy entering the body. Exhale, letting the breath release, letting the energy go, letting go of things that do not serve you. Keeping the focus on the space between the eyebrows. Keeping the eyes closed. Inhale, fill up the lungs, fill up the belly. Feel the fresh air entering through the nostril. Exhale, let the air out, let it release. Let go of the things you don't need. Notice the relaxation happening in the body. Inhale, breathe in deep. Notice the breath. Listen to the sound of the breath if you're being distracted by the mind. Focus on the breath to bring you back from the distraction. Exhale, let go of the breath. Feel the energy releasing. Feel the relaxation. Feel the calmness. Inhale, fill up the lungs. Exhale, release the breath. Notice the calmness. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and focus on the sound of the breath. Exhale, releasing the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Notice the breath, notice the coolness in the nostrils. Pay attention to the sound of the breath. Exhale, release. Feel the calmness, feel the peace, the tranquility. Now I want you to pay attention to your surrounding. Without opening your eyes, just keep your eyes closed and notice anything that might be going on around you. Any sounds, maybe temperature difference, and slowly start to open your eyes. Feel how you feel. Notice how calm, notice how relaxed, notice how tranquil, notice how peaceful you feel. And this is your gift to you today, making out this time for yourself to show yourself gratitude, to appreciate yourself, to love yourself, because you are worthy. Remember that you are an individual, you are unique, no one else is like you, and you cannot be anyone else but yourself. Thank you for practicing with me today. Stay tuned for the next video, and may the rest of your day be wonderful, peaceful, and know that you can always come back to these meditations when you need to. I wish upon you all the best. Thank you.